Hello friends, welcome back. Myself Anil Latkar. I hope you are fine and let's enjoy the videos. Dear friends, let's talk about the next concepts. In the last class we talked about the many concepts, but in this class we are going to talk about the more interesting concept. That is nothing but the place value and face value. So dear students, what is the difference between the place value and place value? Place value means we have to find the place value with the help of places. For example, 356. This is the number in which there are some places. This one is the ones place, correct? What about this? This is the tens place. And what about this? This is the hundreds place, correct? So place values depend upon these places of this notation. For example, if someone asks you what is the place value of 3, what will you say? You have to write this 3 over here and you should multiply this one with the 100. Why? Because this is at the 100 place, and if you multiply 3 with the 100, it will be 300. So this 300 is nothing but the place value of 3. What is 300? 300 is the place value of 3. So this is how, dear friends, you have to find out the place value of particular number. Suppose someone asks you what is the place value of 5. Okay, place value of 5. So how will you explain it? First of all, you have to write this 5 over here and decide at which place this 5 is placed. Okay, so this 5 is placed at the 10th place, so you have to multiply this one with the 10, and whatever will be answer, just multiply it and say that this one is the place value of 5. Means this 50 is nothing but the place value of 5. Understand? So let's talk about the another example. Suppose I am taking here 796. Okay, and one more thing I will add 1000. Okay, 1796. This is the number, and in this number if someone asks you what is the place value of 1, so how will you solve this question and how will you answer this question? So this 1 is at the thousands place, and this 7 is at the hundreds place, and this 9 is at the tens place, and this one is at the ones place. So place value depends upon the position of the digit. Means what? Place value depends upon the position of the value. So this position is very important, and this position is in the notations. Okay, if someone asks you that what is the place value of 7, so this 7 depends upon the position value. It is at hundreds place, so I will multiply it by the 100 and it will be 700. So 700 is the place value of 7. Understand? And face value means what? Face value does not change the value. In the face value does not change the value. Means what? If someone asks you that what is the place value of 9, itself that is 9 is the face value of 9. Face value of 9, like this. Okay, 9 is face value of 9. So this is how we have to answer the questions. Okay, and whenever in any questions, if someone asks you that how to solve the place value and face values questions, so which type of questions arise in the exam? Only they do not ask you what is the place value and what is the face value. So let's talk about the next question. 396. Suppose this is the number, and in this number they can ask you what is the difference between the place value of 3 and place value of 6. What is the difference between the place value of 3 and place value of 6? So you have to find out the place value of 3. What is the place value of 3? Place value of 3 is 300, correct? And what is the place value of 6? 6, it is the only 6. Place value of 3 is 300, and about 6? Place value of 6 is 6. So if you minus it from the 306, okay, if you minus 6 from the 300, so what will be the answer? What will be the answer? Subtract 6 from the 300, so your answer will be 294. So this is the difference between the place value of 3 and place value of 6. So this type of questions can be asked in the exam. So for solving such type of questions, you have to understand how to find out the place value and face value. Place value depends upon the position of digit. Means what? This is the position, 1's position, 10's position, and this is the 100's position of the 3. So it's depend upon the position, okay, position of that particular digit. And then after, what about face value? Face value doesn't change. Face value doesn't change. If someone asks you that what is the face value of this 3, so this 3 is at 100 plus, even though this doesn't change its value, actually face value of 3 is itself 3. Face value of 3 is itself 3. So this is all about the place value and face value. So now in this question we talk about the place value of 3. Difference between the place value of 3 and 6 means what is the subtraction between the place value of 3 and place value of 6. But sometimes they can ask you that what is the difference between the place value of 7 and place value of 3. So what is the place value of 7? It depends upon the position. It is at 10th place, so it is 70. And what about this? This is the 3 at 100th place, so it is a 300. Now subtract it. You have to subtract 70 from the 300. What will be the answer? So your answer will be 230. So this is your final answer. And this type of questions can be asked in the IMO also or in your exams also. So this is all about the today's class, and in the next class we will talk about the next concept. Thank you so much.